In today's video, we'll be focusing on relaxation by sound. Let's settle in and let the sound of the ocean wash away the stress of your commute, the demands of your inbox, and the weight of your to-do list. Now focus on your breath. Inhale calm, exhale the tension. Let this deep breath bring peace to every part of your body. Let the sound of the chimes remind you that you are in a safe place, a tranquil place. Let your mind become as clear and still as the air around you. You're calm, you're centered, you are at peace.